Hi everyone! Since the MOTOSCAN Tab 2.0, DTD Auto has added an ECU test function for the Italian Honda SH Italy 150cc motorbike. This type of ECM has a high value but also has easy faults. Finding fault and repairing with this ECM is also a difficult problem for someone who is unprofessional. But with MOTOSCAN Tab, this ECM diagnostic check and repair will be much easier. Today, DTD Auto introduce and guide you to exploit the ECU test function and repair skills in some situation to support the repairman. Quickly determine if the fault is an internal fault in the ECU or not. Quickly locations of fault electronic components inside the ECU. How to repair ECU with the support of the MOTOSCAN Tab toolkit. For example, a technician has an Italian SH Honda 150. The engine cannot be started. The technician is struggling not knowing how to check it because there are many reasons why a motorbike won't start. The question may be ECU faults or not. Normally, the technician bought the ECU to substitute, excluding it. But what if the fault is not caused by the ECU? Many times when replacing the new ECU in a vehicle for testing, the new ECU also be damaged as similar. Many cases of losing money more frustrated without solving the problem. In this situation, to quickly determine the cause of the failure, to start the engine is inside the ECU, or outside the vehicle, you can use the MOTOSCAN Tab toolkit to immediately check intermediately this ECU. Let's try to immediately check the quality of the ECU with professional equipment MOTOSCAN Tab now. This is a premier professional function in all MOTOSCAN series that cannot be performed by ordinary and cheap tools. From the main menu on the screen, please select the ECU test function. Next, select Test ECU. Select Check Engines ECU. Select Honda brand. Select Vietnam market. Select Italian SH Italy Honda. The MOTOSCAN Tab requires an extension cable. PN cable code SH150PS. To connect to the ECM. For this type of ECM, we design a single pin connector for both SH and PS. Now, you will follow the guide diagram to do. After the connection is complete, you plug the power connector. Press the Continue button to check the ECM. We need to wait a few minutes for MOTOSCAN Tab to automatically analyze and check the ECM. Using advanced AI data analysis technology, MOTOSCAN Tab automatically analyzes both hardware and software failures and detects remapped or wrong software on all types of ECUs.
Well,
That's the result for you. The circuits of the transistor control stages for the ignition coil inside ECM are faulty. Repair suggestion: replace the component part taken out from another ECU or buy it on the market. Fault location is a very clear image, detailed, able to zoom in, out. So now you can start repairing this ECM. This repair part we will do quickly. You can review the skills in the previous videos that we have introduced. Yes, the component part replacement is done. Now, we will check again if the repair was successful. Thus, the failure of ignition has been successfully corrected. However, there is still one more problem of ECM software show. The air-fuel ratio is not corrected work, too rich or too lean, inside. Caused by the wrong software loading, or the software has been remapped. Repair hint: use ECM original firmware reloading function from MOTOSCAN tab to fix the error in the ECM. Now, we will choose a menu to connect the engine system. To reload the original software for the ECM, you can follow the following operation. It is required to select the correct ECM code to reload the original software. MOTOSCAN tab supports multiple software reloading modes for ECM. You will choose Reload Original Software. Congratulations! You reload the original software successfully. After we have reloaded the original software for ECM, we will check again the operation and quality of ECM by MOTOSCAN tab. Congratulations, ECM is back to normal. The machine has reported that ECM is working well. Now, we just need to plug the ECM into the motorbike and start the engine. Thus, the mechanics have seen and understood a part of the advanced function ECU tester, carefully designed and manufactured in the professional MOTOSCAN tab toolkit. This is a great function that helps you find faults, repair FI motorbike quickly and efficiently. This function will find fault inside ECU quickly, including hardware and software inside ECU. In addition to the ECU check function, from the updated version MOTOSCAN Tab 2.0 also adds an ECM rescue function, restoring the original value as the manufacturer for most types of ECM, including ECM, ACG of Honda. It supports the rescuing of ECUs, same as victims of mass destruction and unjust ECU deaths on the market. Goodbye and see you in the next video introducing the functions of MOTOSCAN Tab 2.0. If you find the video interesting and meaningful, please click like, subscribe, and share it with everyone. Thank you very much.